Hey guys, so this is my first video and I just want to show you my 3 fidget spinners, but one of them is downstairs because my cousin plays with them. So this is my first one. They're just ordinary ones, to be honest, like this one, that, there you go, and that's, it's actually going really fast, but it looks in the camera actually really slow. So yeah, this one I may or may not have broke. I broke that bit off it, but look, it still spins really well. I mean, it's a bit squeaky because obviously you got one. And then guys, later I'm going to be doing the crazy makeup challenge, so look forward to that. Bye guys, see you later.